Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store. Now tap on this search bar and type in Magic Fluids. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer, Mad Scientist, and click on it. Now finally, you can choose those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then choose I accept. Now adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, click on those three lines one more time. This time though, you need to tap on Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Set Wallpaper over here, and tap on one of those options. I will go with home screen only. So now when I click Home button and go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!